outreaches to the community. We also have one of the prominent voices from the community, Mr. Rakesh Tikait, who was also the face of the farmers' protest. I want to bring in the Congress, but let's make no mistake about it. This has turned into a political fight. What is the political importance of Jats? That's something that we need to bear in mind. Now remember, next year, everyone knows that we have the Lok Sabha elections, and here is where the Jat vote matters. Let's take a look at which are the areas that the Jat vote holds sway and how much is their preponderance. For one, in Punjab, you have a 4% Jat vote. In Haryana, there is a huge 29% Jat vote. In Western Uttar Pradesh, there is a 17% Jat vote. In Rajasthan also, although most people associate Jats with Uttar Pradesh, but in Rajasthan, a massive Jat presence is there, 15%, in Delhi it is 10%, and in Madhya Pradesh it is 5%. So is this going to come back and singe you politically, Rohan Mitra? They are saying very clearly, and now there are Jat organizations who are on the streets, they are saying nationwide agitation will be done. Jat ke samman mein, BJP is saying they are in Maidan.
Good evening, Padmaja. First of all, I want to first put what Kalyan Banerjee has said. He has said that if the Honorable Vice President is hurt by his comments, he takes back his comments. He did not mean to insult him. So first and foremost, the member who's been filmed doing the mimicry, he himself is saying that he hasn't hurt the Vice President. And if he's hurt, he's sorry. First issue. Second, Mr. Rahul Gandhi clearly said that he did not, he recorded it, but did he post it anywhere? Did he send it out anywhere? It is the national media which took out the video and they have posted it. Mr. Rahul Gandhi has nothing to do with it. These are 140 odd MPs who were suspended. They were sitting, they were protesting on issues, and there was what is mimicry? Mimicry cannot be an insult, Padmaja. Parody, satire is not an insult. We have seen
then
the BJP personnel.
Never mimics Mamata Banerjee. If it is such a great work of art, then he should mimic his own chief minister in gatherings of the TMC.
No, how do you know if the videos will be there, if the private occasion videos, they must have done it. We cannot say that he hasn't done it elsewhere. We have seen what the BJP has done. When the BJP has come to campaign in Bengal,
really? Do you spend your time in Congress meetings mimicking Rahul Gandhi?
I don't want to talk.
I mean, come on, Rohan Mitra, really. You know, this is a very facetious kind of an argument saying mimicry is a great art. Would you really sit in a Congress working committee meeting and say, today I will mimic Mrs. Gandhi? You won't do that, right?
It's parody. You cannot take everything as an insult. When BJP comes to Bengal, they mimic the Bengali accent. They mimic us. They do the Didi O Didi. Is that not insulting? They used to make fun of Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, who was the president of India.
Really? Who?
Yes,
who mimicked Pranab Mukherjee?
The BJP MPs, the BJP MLAs,
name them.
BJP councillors.
Name them because they should be named and shamed. Who was mimicking Pranab Mukherjee?
Because your video cameras were not there, Padmaja. You cannot take...
Sir, you were there and you saw them doing it. Let's name and shame them. If anyone in the BJP has sat there and mimicked Pranab Mukherjee or his accent or his way of speaking, they should be named and shamed.
The Prime Minister has done it. What is the Didi O Didi? It's a catcall in Bengali. You cannot make a Didi O Didi comment against a woman in Bengal. That is an insult to the...
You were talking about mimicry. Let's first settle that point. If BJP has gone and mimicked Mamata Banerjee and mimicked Pranab Mukherjee, then we must name and shame them.
So the point, you're going away from the point. The point is mimicry is Padmaja. The Jat community wasn't insulted. The Vice President of India wasn't insulted. It was just a political issue to divert, which has clearly been explained.
Okay.
Today, Mr. Kharge ji has said in Rajya Sabha that he's a Dalit, his voice is top. So that means that the whole Dalit community...
Okay, so just as a social experiment, and I say this with the greatest of respect, since you are a man of the arts and you think mimicry is an art, let's see you mimic somebody from the Congress party. Let's see it.
You want me to mimic? I'm not a talented person to mimic. I'm not going to be mimicking anybody. The BJP has gone, the BJP spokesperson said, the Gandhi family, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, every minute they have been mimicked previously on record in the public platform by the BJP.
Okay.
Harshvardhan Tripathi. Gandhi's Hindi has been mimicked.
Okay, let's come straight to the point. The video was put out, Harshvardhan Tripathi, जब प्रधानमंत्री ने लोकसभा के अंदर राहुल गांधी की नकल उतारी थी। कांग्रेस ने आज ये वीडियो निकाला और कह रहे हैं कि भाई जब प्रधानमंत्री कर रहे थे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, सब हंस रहे थे। वहां पे मंत्री बैठ करके टेबल थपथपा रहे थे, आज सबको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, क्यों?
पद्मजा जी, मुझे बड़ा आश्चर्य होता है कि अगर राजनीति में रहने वाले लोग इस तरह की तुलना करेंगे, इस तरह के पैरेलल खींचेंगे, तो यानी उनकी समझ पूरी तरह से शून्य हो गई। सोमनाथ चटर्जी, मीरा कुमार, पीए संगमा, जीएमसी बालयोगी, क्या इनमें से किसी का कभी किसी ने मजाक बनाया क्या? यहां तक कि उपराष्ट्रपति हामिद अंसारी, क्या उनका कभी किसी ने मजाक बनाया? उनसे तो बहुत सीधे तौर पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग उनको एकदम नापसंद करते थे, और उनका अपना भी जो विचार था, जिस तरह की वो चीजें रखते थे, उसमें बिल्कुल नापसंद थे वो। लेकिन क्या किसी संवैधानिक पद पर बैठे व्यक्ति का किसी ने मजाक बनाया? क्या कमाल करते हैं लोग, राजनीतिक समझ नहीं है या जानबूझकर इस तरह से टीवी पर नासमझ दिखते हैं, लेकिन उनको लगता है अपनी पार्टी के लिए कुछ करना है। और बड़ा आश्चर्य तब होता है जब आप डेमोक्रेसी में जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट हैं उसको आप पॉलिटिकल पोस्ट के साथ कंपेयर करते हो। इसका मतलब कि आपको पॉलिटिक्स का, डेमोक्रेसी का अंदाजा ही नहीं है। यू डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया। और आप जरा सोचिए कि सोनिया गांधी का मजाक उड़ाना, राहुल गांधी का मजाक उड़ाना, नरेंद्र मोदी का मजाक उड़ाना, और मैं तो कहता हूं ना, क्या अटल जी का भी बहुत लोग मजाक उड़ाते होंगे? जवाहरलाल नेहरू बोलते थे, क्या क्या नहीं उनको लोहिया जी कह देते थे। लेकिन राजनीतिक तौर पर आरोप प्रत्यारोप अलग बात होती है, और संवैधानिक पद पर जो बैठा हुआ व्यक्ति होता है उसके खिलाफ कोई शब्द निकालना ये असंवैधानिक है, अमर्यादित है, और इसकी कड़ी से कड़ी सजा का प्रावधान होना चाहिए।
सबा नकवी,
ये नहीं हो सकता है कि आप संवैधानिक पद पर बैठे व्यक्ति की तुलना, ऐसे तो रैलियों में कुछ भी कहा जाता है, और कोई भी आरोप भी लगाना चाहिए। मैं तो ये कह रहा हूं कि कोई भी आरोप लगाए, कोई नरेंद्र मोदी किसी चीज से ऊपर नहीं है। और मैं एक और बात कहता हूं, सबके ध्यान में होगा, भाई राहुल गांधी की छवि पप्पू की बनाने की कोशिश की गई, तो नरेंद्र मोदी के लिए भी कांग्रेस के लोग फेंकू कहते थे, लेकिन जनता के मन में कौन सी छवि गई, किस तरह का आप बर्ताव करते हैं। लेकिन अगर कोई राष्ट्रपति, उपराष्ट्रपति जो चेयर है, उनके प्रति कोई इस तरह की बात करे, यह शर्मनाक है, उसको माफी मांगनी चाहिए, और बिना शर्त माफी मांगनी चाहिए। उनके पक्ष में खड़े लोगों के लिए भी जिसको हम कहें कि एक चेतावनी जैसी है।
सबा नकवी, so here's two questions. One, there is a distinction being made between mockery of a political rival and a constitutional post. Now, when it comes to mimicry, I remember Lalu ji was classic at it. He imitated multiple times. He imitated the prime minister. Once I remember he famously said कि prime minister keeps saying 56 इंच की छाती, 56 इंच की छाती, 56 इंच की छाती तो भैंस की होती है. He said that, but nobody was doing प्रदर्शन against him saying कि आपने भैंसों का अपमान किया या आपने किसी community का अपमान किया. This, however, is different. And two, do you think this is going to be politically a hot potato for Congress? Given the importance of the Jat vote.
If you'd allow me to speak, as long as the last person spoke, who's also a journalist, I will say one thing to you. I think what has preceded this is much more serious, with much more serious implications. Never in the history of this largest democracy, where the parliament has been called a temple, have 143 MPs been suspended. So I think everybody has, and I remember so many people mimicking Meera Kumar since I used to go to the house. It was constant. BJP chambers, they would mimic her. Yes, it was the recording of someone recording that mimicking was not in the hands of me. Meera Kumar was regularly mimicked because she had a certain manner and a way of speaking. In her case in particular, I recall this. And BJP guys used to do it. And I'm not going to tell you the names because one of them has passed away. And that person has also spoken about it is the job of the government to make sure that Parliament, right now we have newspapers in which opinions are published by the RSS and BJP routinely. Even they are outraged by what has happened in Parliament. You have passed an entirely the criminal laws, a new thing where sections of the laws are changing after chucking out the entire opposition because they wanted the Home Minister to talk about the breach of security for a party which is, I mean, that is the sequence of events. This is nothing. And if you want to talk about the Jat insult, the Jats, certainly, I mean, I don't think anybody on communal lines should be insulted. Meera Kumar was a Dalit and she was genuinely mocked. I have witnessed myself, she was copied all the time by those who went to the house and sat with the LOPs of the Bharatiya Janata Party would have
Okay,
seen that.
fair point. Respond, Harshvardhan ji.
No, I mean, I don't know. He has his own point of view. I have my own experience in life
No,
and I have my
100%.
own value. For me, this is a very, very serious matter that
Okay.
you have thrown out, never in the history. Why has a powerful party like the BJP, which has just won elections, thrown out all of that instead of getting the Home Minister to make a statement?
Okay, two questions.
About
One,
the breach
what
of
about Meera
security?
Kumar when she
And
was
we are
being
talking about-
mimicked? Two, even Mr. Khadge said today कि मैं भी दलित हूं, मेरे बारे में हजार चीजें लोग बोलते हैं, तो क्या पूरे दलित कम्युनिटी का अपमान हो गया?
Communities पे हो रहा है मजाक.
पद्मजा जी।
Historically from a much weaker community.
Okay, respond,
let's not
Harshvardhan
go down
Tripathi.
that path. There are issues of parliament, there are issues of law, there is issue of democracy, there is a more larger issue of institutions.
Okay, so diversionary tactic, and what about talking of Meera Kumar? Harshvardhan Tripathi.
पद्मजा, मैं पूरी तरह से सहमत हूं सबा नकवी से कि ये सारा मसला देश के संविधान और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का है, लेकिन सबा जी जो बता रही हैं वो किसी के लिए भी हर किसी का एक तरीका होता है और उसको चार लोग कई बार होता है। वो मीरा कुमार जी भी हो सकती है, वो सबा नकवी हो सकती है, हो सकता है मैं बोल रहा हूं, पद्मजा बोल रही, कोई भी किसी के लिए इस तरह का मिमिक कर सकता है। मिमिक्री कोई गलत नहीं है, और कई बार आप जब उसको आपस में बात करते हैं, कोई किसी की टोन पे कह देता है कि वो तो इस तरह से बोलते हैं, कोई किसी की टोन में कुछ आता है तो उसको लोग कहते हैं, लेकिन संवैधानिक पद पर मीरा कुमार जी नहीं। तो आप मुझे जरा एक इंसिडेंट बताइए कि भाजपा के किसी नेता ने सार्वजनिक तौर पर किया, और मैं सुनना चाहूंगा, तब मैं दूसरा जवाब देता हूं। आप इसको बताइए, आपकी निजी बातचीत मत बताइए, आप अपनी पर्सनल बातचीत न बताइए।
आपने एक चीज पकड़ ली है, इफ यू डोंट माइंड माय, संवैधानिक। हर एमपी संवैधानिक पद पे है, हर एमपी हिंदुस्तान के संविधान पे ओथ लेकर आता है, उसको आम जनता ने इलेक्ट किया है। आपने यू हैव कमिटेड, एंड दिस इज नॉट जस्ट माय ओपिनियन, ये सारे एडिटोरियल्स को आप पढ़ लीजिए, आप अंग्रेजी के अखबार के, वही अखबार जो भाजपा और संघ परिवार को बहुत जगह देते हैं। लोग बिल्कुल आश्चर्य, दिस इज अ वेरी डेंजरस प्रेसिडेंट कि पूरा ऑपोजिशन को आपने निकाल के इतने बड़े बड़े आप कानून लाए हैं। और ये एक बार पहले हुआ था जब आप किसान कानून लाए थे, जब आपने ऑपोजिशन की बात नहीं सुनी राज्यसभा में, वो कानून आपको वापस लेना पड़ा। आपके एक स्पीकर जिन्होंने अभी तक बोला नहीं है, वो उस आंदोलन का हिस्सा था। तो मैं अपने आप, आई एम वरीड अबाउट द इंस्टीट्यूशन, आई डू नॉट वांट टू गेट इनटू द कास्ट पॉलिटिक्स। इट इज an
But you
institution.
don't think fair. So you have a point about how this is a diversion. My question is that politically, will that diversion work? Will it stick? How will the Jat parties be able to defend it? Ultimately, it will be about politics.